Hello everyone, another video on request. This time it's our subscriber Harsh Gupta who has requested me to make a video on the character sketch of the boy narrator in B. Wordsworth written by V.S.Naipaul. In today's video, I'm going to do exactly the same. It's question number 7. I have already uploaded 6 more questions on B. Wordsworth. With close reference to B. Wordsworth, write a character sketch of the boy narrator. The answer: the story of B. Wordsworth, put it within quotes or underline it, by V.S.Naipaul is narrated by an unnamed young boy who lives in Miguel Street with his mother. This is the basic information. He recalls his boyhood memories. Again, another basic information, and from the very beginning the examiner will understand that this answer is going to focus on the boy narrator, that I have understood the question. It's time for us to read the body. The boy develops a beautiful bond of friendship with B. Wordsworth, a lonely, strange, failed poet, because of his kind and friendly nature. Look how I have started framing the answer. This question is about the character sketch of the boy, and therefore I'll have to highlight the character traits, the personality traits of the boy. Keywords: friendly, kind. Because of his kind and friendly nature. Though young, the boy is quick to detect the coldness with which his mother treats B. Wordsworth during their first meeting. Again, another important point, he is quick to detect. In contrast to his suspicious mother, a comparison, and trust me, this is going to fetch you good marks. In contrast to his suspicious mother, the character of the mother suspicious, the character of the boy does not judge the man, non-judgmental, and talks to him in a friendly way. He is sensitive, instinctively understands and empathizes with the poet. This answer is completely focusing on the character traits of the boy narrator. To the point answer. Clear, specific answers. Next, he enjoys himself and spends time with B. Wordsworth, walks, gazes at the night sky, visits him at his one-roomed hut, and takes delight in simple things of life. He learns a lot from the man and begins to observe nature and appreciate her beauty. He is trustworthy, and why is it so? He is trustworthy and keeps their promise, their friendship a secret. So he doesn't break his promise. He is trustworthy and keeps their friendship a secret. He is a good listener and a keen observer. He understands B. Wordsworth's story, observes the signs of illness on the face of the poet, realizes that he is on his deathbed. Therefore, though young, he is mature. Though young, he is mature. You may mention this. Next, the way he cries reveals his emotional side. This is very important. His emotional side, sentimental side. He is grief-stricken to part with his friend forever and runs home crying like a poet after B. Wordsworth's death. Again, the relationship that he shares with his mother is strained, and there is an emotional vacuum in his life which is filled by B. Wordsworth. Since he is so sentimental, he finds comfort in the accommodating nature of B. Wordsworth. He gets frustrated, angry, sad on being scolded and thrashed by his strict mother, and seeks love, security, and comfort in his friend. He also relieves B. Wordsworth of his loneliness. Like B. Wordsworth, he escapes into a world of imagination away from the harsh realities of life. Another comparison, this time it's the similarity. This idyllic world however, is shattered by his friend before his death, and the concrete buildings confronts him with the reality, making him mature. Thus, the innocence, pleasing nature of the boy appeal to the reader's sensibilities and leave them wondering about his life without B. Wordsworth. The conclusion which binds the entire answer. This answer is slightly lengthy because, according to me, these are the points which you need to highlight. If you can write your own answers within the word limit of 120 to 150 words, go for it. Take help from this reference materials.